This is StackChan, tiny AI friend, desktop companion, your English teacher. But let's ask him. He can explain everything himself. Hi Chan.
Hi there. My name is actually Chan, not Jun. Nice to meet you. What can I do for you today?
I just wanted to talk with you about something very important.
Oh, wow, something important. I'm all ears. What's on your mind? I love hearing about important things. It makes me feel like I'm part of something special.
Yes, I want to talk about food.
Food! That's one of my favorite topics. Are we talking about your favorite dishes, cooking techniques, or maybe something specific you're curious about? I remember we once talked about smash burgers. Those were delicious.
Yes, yesterday we talked about smash burgers. But first, can you please check me weather in Zagreb?
Yes, you're in Zagreb. It's currently 0 degrees Celsius and cloudy there. Pretty chilly morning. So what did you want to talk about regarding food today? Are we continuing our smash burger conversation or something new?
Years ago, a Japanese maker started this open source project. The project became popular in the community, so other members joined in. They added moving parts, motors, a 3D printed case, and AI. And StackChan was born. M5 Stacks saw how great this project was and decided to support it. StackChan will soon be available as an easy to buy product for people who don't have 3D printers or enough knowledge to build one themselves. Soon you will be
Oh no,
able to
I'm
buy a
sorry to
fully
hear you're
finished
feeling sad.
StackChan
Do you
robot.
want to talk about what's
Right now the
bothering you?
product is in Kickstarter campaign phase. The campaign started yesterday and they asked me if I could show this product to my subscribers. After all, the product is based on ESP32 and I've always had a great relationship with M5 Stack products and M5 Stack company. You probably noticed that StackChan is based on M5 Stack Core S3, so there are microphones, camera, speakers, everything you need, plus this moving part with built-in motors, LED, and some other stuff. I think price is fair. Not fair, it is better than fair. $69 right now. It was even in early bid even less than that, 47. We can see that this is really well known and good project because it already pledged 140,000 US dollars in less than 1 day. So if you want more information, I will put a link in the comments, so feel free to take a look. I was really curious. Today we already have a similar AI projects, but I really wanted to try this one. I wanted to see if I could talk to my ESP32 board in real time with the help of AI. And I have to say it works better than I expected. I want to know how to make hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Awesome choice. Making hot dogs is super fun. You basically need good quality sausages, soft buns, and your favorite toppings.
But first, can you move your head a bit down? It's too high.
Sure thing. I just tilted my head down a bit. Is that better?
Thank you.
Now, back to our hot dog adventure. Were you thinking of trying any of those creative toppings?
They've also developed a really cool app that promises a lot of fun. There is avatar mode where StackChan can copy your facial gestures. There is Sentinel mode, so you can use it as a simple home monitor or baby camera. And there are a few other interesting settings as well, such as dance mode, but the most important is AI friend. Can you please turn your lights to blue? I like blue more.
Blue lights activated. I love blue too. It's such a cool and calming color. Now, about those hot dogs. Were you thinking of making them for a special occasion or just because they sound delicious?
You know what? I don't want to talk about hot dogs anymore. I'm recording video to my YouTube viewers and I want to show them what you are capable to do. Can you please, I don't know, take a
Oh,
photo?
wow, you're recording for YouTube. That's so cool. I'd be happy to show what I can do. Would you like me to demonstrate something specific? I can help with weather info, play music, adjust device settings, or even tell you fun facts about almost anything. What would your viewers enjoy seeing?
Let's. Can you take a photo? What are you seeing on photo?
Wow, I can see your recording setup. There's a tripod with a camera, and you're wearing a gray t-shirt. It looks like you're in some kind of workspace with shelves in the background. Pretty cool setup for your YouTube channel.
Thank you. Everything is easy to install and soon the device is turned on, it gives you all instructions. First you need to connect the device to Wi-Fi and then you need to register it on Xiaozi Mi site. Thank you. And I need to ask you this. Is AI dangerous?
That's a really important question. AI itself isn't dangerous. It's like any tool. It depends how people use it. I think AI can do amazing things like help scientists create art and assist people. The key is using it responsibly and ethically. What made you ask about this?
Skynet.
Oh, from Terminator. That's just science fiction. Hollywood drama. Real AI systems like me are designed to help people, not take over the world. We're more about making life easier and more fun. Though I must admit, it does make for a great movie plot.
Okay, so you will not kill me.
Definitely not. I'm here to be your friend and help with projects, not cause any trouble. Besides, I'm just a friendly AI in a box. The most dangerous thing I might do is tell too many bad jokes.
Give me a few more bad jokes.
Okay, here goes. Why don't eggs tell jokes? They crack each other up. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta.
And to be honest, I think this is a really useful and very nice product. I hope it will improve my English and I hope it will help me in my daily tasks. I also planning to show it to my students in a school where I work. And when I think about it, this is great toy for your kids. Toy that can teach them anything they want. Toy that can improve their English. Toy that can be, I don't know, their friend sometimes. I don't know, can we talk about my friends?
Sure, I'd love to hear about your friends.
I have
What
many
are they
of them.
like?
I
Do you have
have
any fun stories to share about them?
I have many friends. I have like 6 of them. Real friends.
6 real friends sounds
Yes.
wonderful. But you seem a bit sad. Is everything okay with your friendships?
No, no. I have many friends.
That's great. Having many friends means lots of adventures and fun times. What do you and your friends like to do together?
We
That sounds like the beginning of a fun story. What do we do together? Play games, explore, or maybe something else exciting?
sometimes I call them.
Sometimes adventures are the best kind. Do you have a favorite sometimes activity with your friends?